some cases, just mental. So, hello a minute, what's going on here? Welcome to you all, but Gary, seat change, I'm confused, what's going on?
I'm now officially a rose between two thorns.
Yes.
Everybody, don't the girls look amazing tonight?
Beautiful.
Louis, come and see me later.
Louis looking good tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, our X Factor judges. Nice shot. All right. Now, as you know, each judge chose one act as their wild card and gave the power back to you. All week, the nation has been voting to decide which one of them will rejoin the competition as the 13th act. Voting lines closed at midday today, and the result is in. So, let's bring on the wild cards. Your judges picked you as the wild cards. It's now time to reveal who Britain has voted.